In this video, we're going to go over some vocabulary words, and then we're going to do math message from lesson 4.5. The first vocabulary word we're going to talk about is decimal point. And we talk about decimal points, or use decimal points a lot, but maybe we don't really say what they are. If I had the number 28 and 2300ths, the decimal point is what separates the whole numbers from the decimals, or the parts of the number, parts of the whole, I should say. So the decimal point sits right between the ones place and the tens place, separating the whole numbers from the decimals. Then our next vocab term is a magnitude estimate. We did this back in Unit 2 as well. In magnitude estimates, just give us an idea of what place value our answer is going to be in. It's just a rough estimate. It's not trying to get close, or it's not trying to be exact, it's just trying to be close so we know what place value our answer is going to be in. And here's the math message for today. A rope measuring 87 6/10 meters long is cut into 12 equal pieces. Estimate the length of each piece. Be prepared to explain your estimation strategy. Go ahead, hit pause on your video, work the problem on your whiteboard for a couple minutes, and then hit play to see how your answer compares with the answer that I'm going to give. Looking at this problem, the first thing I'm going to think about is 87 6/10 in 12 equal pieces. So my numbers are 87 6/10 in 12, and then it says cut into 12 equal pieces. So I didn't have to do this. I'm going to just cut this into 12 equal pieces, and it's not going to be perfect, but we'll imagine it's perfect. Now, with having cut that into 12 equal pieces, and you don't have to do that on yours, but what I want to show you is we are not getting rid of any pieces. We still have all the rope, it's just cut into equal pieces. So since we're not getting rid of anything, this is going to be a division problem. It's going to be a division problem, and we're going to work on the numbers 87 6/10 divided into 12 equal pieces. And we're going to do a magnitude estimate for this. So when I look at 87 6/10, I think, well, that's close to 90. 87 6/10 is close to 90. And then as I look at 12 here, 12, now that's close to 10. So my magnitude estimate is, for me, is going to be 90 divided by 10, which would equal 9. Depending on your thinking, some of you may have rounded 80 divided by 10, which would give you 8. That would be a fine answer as well. And again, we're not going for an exact answer. We're just going for a magnitude estimate, something close to give us what place value our answer is going to be in. Now, in the past, some students have done something as similar as, or they've looked at their multiplication chart, and they've said, well, 84 divided by 12 is 7. And to me, that's not really a magnitude estimate. The 90 divided by 10 and the 80 divided by 10 are more of your magnitude estimates. Either method would work, though. Go ahead, go on to the next video and get started on some math journal pages.